This is the first robot which will throw and kick the rugby ball. The pneumatic arm will pick the ball and throw it to the second robot. The kicking structure consists of various parts. The first one is the leg-like structure which is used for kicking. The next one is the power window motor which is used to lift the actuator. Once the pneumatic actuator is above the foot of the kicking structure, the actuator will pull back the leg against an elastic rope. A linear actuator is used to hold the leg against the elastic material. The elastic material is used to give enough potential energy to the leg so that it is able to kick the rugby ball over the conversion post.
This is the second robot which will catch the rugby ball and will move to the try spot to score the try. It is a two-wheel robot with two caster wheels. This is the catchment where the ball will fall and the gripper will grab the ball. To score the try, the arm of the gripper will move towards the try spot. Simultaneously, this gate will move up to allow the gripper to pass through.